Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and in this video we are going to talk about very easy and small topic for quadratic equation and complex number. Okay, see, let's start the lesson. In grade 10 you have studied about the quadratic equation and its root, yes, and there you have studied that if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 be the general quadratic equation, then x will be given by minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula for value of x, yes. Now, do you remember the name of this expression b square minus 4ac? We write it by d, yes, capital D. And what is the name? Name is discriminant. What we say? Discriminant. Okay. Now, based on this discriminant, you have studied three conditions. That first was, if d is greater than 0, then roots or zeros will be real, will be real and unequal. Yes, roots will be real and unequal. Second condition was, when discriminant is 0, then roots will be real and equal, will be real and equal. This was the second condition. And the third condition was, d, when d is negative, means less than 0, then roots will not be real. Okay, roots will not be real. So in grade 10, because you were having no idea about the imaginary number or complex numbers, so just you use the term that if d is negative, if discriminant is negative, then roots will not be real. So this third case you are going to study now in grade 11 in complex number. Okay, now let's start this third case. So I'll try to consider few examples and then you will see how to find the imaginary roots, because when it is not real, then definitely it is going to be imaginary. Okay, now let's talk about with the help of some examples. For example, if we say let's take equation 2x square, we'll have to be careful so that the discriminant must be negative. Yes, okay, so x is 2x square plus 5x plus say 7. Okay, I think so it will be. Okay, we'll see. Now, if we have to solve this equation, then what you will do, question will be simply solve this equation. Okay, nowhere it will be written that you have to find the real number or you have to find the imaginary roots. It will be written simply solve the following quadratic equation. So what it will be, and you see, such questions you will not be able to solve by the splitting the middle term. Okay, before doing this question, I will take one simple question so that you can understand it better. If you have to solve x square plus 4 is equal to 0, how can you do this? It will be x square will be equal to negative 4. So x will be equal to plus minus square root of negative 4. Yes, and square root of negative 4 means plus minus square root of minus 1 times square root of 4. Okay, now while writing this line or this identity, I reminded myself one very important thing for you, that is square root of a times b will be equal to square root of a times square root of b if at least one of a or b is positive. Okay, at least one should be positive, only then you can apply this identity, otherwise not. Okay, and you can try to find the reason also, that why is it so. Okay, I will try to explain this later on, but first let's complete this question. So it is x is equal to plus minus under root minus 1 means I, and root 4 means 2. So its answer will be plus minus 2i. Okay, now let's talk about this question what I have written before. This is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it will be equal to minus 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 7, 56 divided by 4. It will be minus 5 plus minus square root of negative 56 minus 25, I guess it will be 31. So it is 31 with negative sign. Now 31 is a prime number, so we cannot think about its factorization. So what you can do this? You can write it as minus 5 plus minus I times root 31, because I have taken negative out, so it will be under root minus 1 over 4. Okay, like this you can solve the question and you can find the imaginary roots. Like this you can do it. Okay, and this will complete the question for you, and you can see one of the roots will be conjugate of another root. Okay, so like that you can have a multiple choice question also, that if one root of the quadratic equation is 1 minus I, then which of the following will be the another root? So if it is 1 plus I, then its conjugate will be 1 minus I. Okay, like that you can solve the question. Hope you understood this topic, and this is very simple, and you have studied everything in grade 10, so I thought that you should learn this also. Okay, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.